Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website on Wix for retro arcade business, easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. Now enter the website. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first, create a new site, build with Wix editor. Now enter your business type or your website type. Now let's choose this for example. Now if you want to skip, you can skip from here. Now enter your store name, type any name you want. Do you already have an online store? So if you already have, choose one. What would you like to sell? Physical products, dropshipping products, digital products, and services, maybe services. Now let's continue. Where would you like to sell? Online store in my mobile app and marketplaces and social media. Now continue to dashboard. So design your site from here. So how would you like to design your website? If you wanna let Wix create a site for you, or if you wanna customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. It's more easier. Now let's get started. So here enter your informations, the name, your business name, your email, your address, and your phone. And here if you wanna add social link. So let's continue. Pick a theme you like. Now pick your favorite homepage, your favorite homepage design. For example, this, and let's continue. So here if you wanna add page to your site. Now wait a few seconds, preparing your homepage website. Now your site is up and running, so if you wanna edit more your website, click here. So this is your homepage website. uh, you can add elements here. So the first element here, you find the text element. You find the same text, the title, the titles and the paragraphs. So if you wanna select any font or any size of the text you want. So that's it. Now let's move on to the image. Here you find the image elements. If you want to upload or import image, if you're looking for some free Wix image or free Wix illustrations. Now let's move on to the button. Here find the themed buttons, the text and icon buttons, and the icon buttons, the image buttons, documents buttons, and the iTunes button. Here you find the payments buttons. You have to add some payments button on your home page. So that's it. Now let's move on to the strip. So if you want to add the strip, if you want to add classic, featured, about, services, contact, welcome, testimonials, and theme, select any one of these and put it on your homepage at any place you like, as you like. Now let's move on to the decorative. Here you find the shapes, the themed lines, and the basic shapes, the rows, and here the horizontal lines, the vertical lines, and here you find the vector art, the featured, icons, animals and nature, the logos and the badges, and the characters. And here you find the video elements, find the video box, the video mask and transparent video. And also here we find the boxes, the themed boxes, the container boxes, and the hover boxes and the tabs. So select any one of these you want and put it on your home page. Now let's move on to the galleries. You find the recommended galleries and the pro galleries or the guide galleries or the slider galleries. Also here we find the if you want to show more galleries. So that's it. Now let's move on to the menus and the anchor. Here we find the themed menus, the horizontal menus and the vertical menus, and here you find the in-page navigation, the anchor, and the in-page menu, and the last here is the site search. So that's it. Now let's move on to the contact and forms. Here you find the contact forms, the order forms, the registration forms, donation forms, and the application forms, and the feedback forms, and the request forms, and the waiver and subscribe forms. So you have to add any one of these on your home page. Now let's move on to the Google Maps. Here find the normal maps and the full width maps. Also here we find the Wix chat and the line button. So that's it. Here we find the video and the music elements. So if you want to add some single video players or Wix video or video box or video mask or transparent video. And also here we find the music elements, the audio players, the Wix Music and SoundCloud player and Spotify player and iTunes button. Here we find the interactive. So the slideshows, if you want to edit the for width slideshows or the boxes slideshows, here you find the light boxes, and here you find the boxes, the hover boxes, and the tabs, and the last here is the repeaters, the hover repeaters. So that's it. Here you find the list, the repeaters and the hover repeaters and the blank repeaters. Here you find the embed code. If you want to custom popular embeds, if you want to add single video players, here if you want to edit the audio elements, SoundCloud player, Spotify player, or iTunes button. Here we find the advanced elements, marketing tools, or Velo Dev mode, and the last here the animation elements. So that's it. Now let's move on to the social bar. Here you can select any social bar here you want, or if you want to add link, Facebook link, or Twitter link, or Pinterest link, or VK or line link, or YouTube if you want to add your YouTube link. So that's it. Here you find the payments section, you find the payments buttons, the payments forms, and the pricing plans, and the store. Here if you want to use the CMS, if you want to easily manage your site content, and the blog here if you want to show your expertise and engage with your audience. Here we find the store, and here the bookings, the booking elements and the related elements and the pricing plans. Here we find the events if you want to create and manage events, and here find the community and your designs. So that's it. Now if you want to add section, click here, select any section you want, and that's it. Now let's move on to the page and the menus. So here if you want to add page, select any page from here you want. Now let's move on to the site design. Customize your sites, the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions. If you want to add apps, if you want to manage your business, here if you want to upload your media or edit images and videos, if you're looking for some free Wix images or free Wix videos, here if you want to use the same as, if you want to easily manage your site content, and the last is marketing and SEO. If you want to manage the Google ads or the Facebook ads or the SEO or the social media marketing or the marketing integrations. So that's it. Now after you're done from designing your website, all you have to do is click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.